And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, delicious recipe with only 3 ingredients. And this recipe is so versatile that with only 3 ingredients, you're gonna learn how to make 3 different dishes. Because if you're trying to make your life easier in the kitchen, you are in the right place. Because cooking shouldn't feel overwhelming. It should feel like something you can actually enjoy. And for today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make tuna steaks with only 3 ingredients. And this recipe is so versatile, you will love it. Let's go make it. And for today's recipe, you will need tuna, eggs, breadcrumbs. The first thing you have to do is start by cracking the eggs. I always check each one as I go to make sure they're fresh and to avoid getting any shell pieces into the mix. I'm adding some salt. I'm mixing the eggs really well until everything is fully combined. I'm gonna put the eggs on the side. And now I have a clean bowl with the strainer. And what we're gonna do now is I'm going to take the tuna and I'm gonna strain it. I'm making sure to strain the tuna really well, and also making sure that all the water is out, because otherwise the steaks are gonna be kind of mushy and they're not gonna sear properly. And now that the tuna is all strained, I'm gonna put it on the egg. Add salt, paprika, and mix. I'm adding black pepper, but this is optional. Add the breadcrumbs, cilantro, green onions. I'm mixing all the ingredients together until everything is evenly combined. I'm gonna start molding the tuna steaks. I'm starting to shape the tuna steaks. I'm gonna take about a spoonful of the mixture and gently form it into a patty. You can make them as big or as small as you like, depending on your preference or how you plan to serve them. And keep repeating the same process until you've used all of the mixture. Try to make the tuna steaks a similar size so they cook evenly. It's time to add the tuna steaks into the pan. And I like to gently press each patty down a little to give it that nice steak-like shape. Then I let them cook until they're beautifully golden brown and crispy on the outside. Now I'm gonna flip them over and I'm gonna turn each one and let the other side cook until it's just golden and crispy. Again, I like to gently press each patty down to give it that nice shape. And these tuna steaks are looking amazing. They are ready to come out of the pan. I'm gonna let them cool for a minute before serving. They have a crispy outside and tender inside, and they're ready to enjoy with your favorite side or dipping sauce. People, and look how many tuna steaks I did. 6 of them with just 2 cans of tuna. And this is smelling amazing. And just a pro tip, just take a little bit of a paper towel and dry the steaks just to remove excess oil from them. And like I promised to you at the beginning of the video, I made 3 different dishes with only one recipe. And these are dishes that you can have for lunch, for dinner, or just for a simple snack in the middle of the day. People, I can't wait to try these tuna steaks. Okay, let's try this. And so you know, I made this secret sauce dipping for these steaks, and if you want to learn how to make them, just comment in the description below. I'm gonna show you how to make them. People, this is so good. I know, qué delicia. This is so delicious. This recipe is so easy to make, so simple, with only 3 ingredients. This can't go wrong. You have to try to make this and let me know how do you like it. And you can get creative when making these recipes. You can put your own toppings for the hamburger or for the salads. You can get creative. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and see you on the next episode.